69. Estás muriéndote de celo, que yo la agarro por el pelo. Si la sube para la nube, pues yo la bajo del cielo. Te quieren viriar, loco por tenerte y tú loca por llegar.
Ew. I'm gonna attempt to do a little vlog action. I gotta go. Darle un refin al pana mío, you know, gotta make this bread real quick. And I'm gonna just vlog it, you know, just cuss. So what do we need? Let me show you what we need. Kit right here. You know, I got the hookah because we Dominican like that. So my kit, everything you need to give a nice fade action going on. I need my light, and I need my car. And that's about it, you know? That's about it. See you guys right there looking all sexy, scrubadocious. Yeah. I'm looking kind of rough myself, so maybe after we done cutting him, I'll give a cut to myself. That's all I got for today. Like, I don't really know. It's just cutting one of my homies and maybe his dad or something. But his dad's simple. He just gets like a number 3 or something and it's easy money. Eso sí, I remember I gotta bring this water because his dad sometimes wants to cut like the top and it's kind of hard. And it's not hard, you can still cut aunque esté dry. You just gotta be a little more precise because you agarra el pelo and then you let it go and it just disappears. It just mumbles. If it's wet, you can kind of tell the differences and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all the king of the house. My guy. He be mad all the time. He be mad all the time. But yeah, I'm about to cut. Maybe I'll do like a little driving montage shit. But yeah. See y'all in a bit. I'll be back, bro. Don't be sad. I fucking love you, bro. You're so beautiful.
You think it's okay to like boost your videos on Instagram?
Yeah.
It's
pay to win,
consider it cheating. I did that to a video y empecé a conseguir los seguidores because, you know, it directly targets now the audience that I want to reach to. Para Instagram, for you to get there without having to pay, tienes que estar consistently posteando y posteando.
You need to make people share your content.
Yeah.
De cuando acá tú share something en Instagram que no es un meme o una noticia. Nothing. Because you're not gonna be like, oh, me gusta esa foto, it's cute, share. No, nobody does that.
Look at this beautiful light.
You have no view.
Ain't. So
you're looking at the forest and the rooftop. Damn, you sweaty bitch.
No, it's not even that much, bro.
Bro, los peores te están pegando. Me meto una piqui.
Dime dónde es el meeting, que yo le llevo donde sea. En ese totito hay liquid, la mericotea. En el bicho me puso un grip, porque ese culo tuyo es
Todo el mundo sabe quiénes son. Ugly motherfucking goddamn. Look how decent he looks like.
Bro, le quedó cara ahora.
Just made a cool 20 piece, 25 piece. Now we gotta go take a trip to PetSmart, PetCo, whatever. We gotta go get some dog food. Cause I'm a dog, you heard? Always lucky. Ok, si yo les voy a dar un consejo a alguien, es que cuando usted se monte en el carro, instantáneamente hit that lock button, bro. You never know. Like, one of my biggest fears es que venga alguien, yo me monto en el carro y boom, 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 me abre la puerta, bro. Shit myself. Shit myself. Cause you lacking. Ahí tú no estás haciendo nada. You estás, boom, y llega alguien. Boom, boom, boom. It's like 30 pounds. I love that push shot shit. I love that. Yeah, I love that. I love that. I love that. Alright, the vlog continues in the dash cam. That shit kinda cool. Like, focus if you want to, bro. Yeah, that shit kinda cool. Yeah, that shit kinda cool. Vroom. Hello. Vroom.
I keep on chasing the highs, I know I can never get back, so roads on low. Then I got eyes in the back of my head, I got eyes everywhere, so I know where you go. I can drop ties in this bitch, drop like flies in this bitch. I cut ties in this bitch, I'll cut ties in your face. Yeah, that's why I'm living out in space. I take the money to another level, I take the plane to another level, I take the highest to a new level, I take a high to a new level. Keep thinking your baby taxi was so.
But you won't give up in my world. Andamos todos emplumados, salimos del casillero en 3 y ahora 2. Porque yo a letra le frené por la blog. Yo sí te meto en un. Ella loca conmigo, vive dándole like, cabrón. Yo ella ni la sigo. Le tienes al DM, ya montaste mi BM. Otra haciendo la 69 y está muriéndote de celo. Que yo la agarro por el pelo. Si la sube para la nube, pues yo la bajo del cielo. Te quieren wiriar, loco por tenerte y tú loca por llegar. Ya. Tú le tienes al DM.
They want it to be a black.
You?
No, you.
I can do it.
Yeah. When I got to the airport, I went to the bathroom and started like. Fuck. She's done. I don't know how these YouTubers can do it, man. Ooh, these homies. I don't need these bitches and stuff. There we go. I was cool like that over there. What's that, Kevin?
Just some bullshit. Ya, ustedes no sirven. Ustedes no sirven. Man, this game is. Let's play regular fucking
Battle Royale, a ver si las armas son fucking normal.
Loco, Gunkin, deja Gunkin. Esto es lo más bien, cabrón. Gunkin
Ah,
también.
gun game. Oh yeah, está bien, dale gun game. Gun game go crazy. Economic crit. Economic crit. Hey, you don't got Minecraft? And that candle smells good as fuck, bro. What are you sending, Armando?
Una amiga mía le hizo una esposa a un amigo mío en Instagram.
Como que un expose.
What do you mean exposed? Oh, this is like some high school shit, dog.
I don't give a fuck, cabrón.
This
It's
is
funny as
literally like some high school exposed shit. What are you talking about?
But what happened?
El,
Nothing.
el,
I don't
el
even know.
tipo le estaba pegando cuernos con 5 mujeres y la tipa lo que hizo fue, le puso que el tipo era un racista, los mensajes y toda la mierda.
Pero yo no veo nada en el video que tú mandaste.
Primero sí, cabrón, el tipo dice,
¿Dónde? Primero.
es que tú no lo vas a escuchar, no,
Wait,
tú
what
no,
did you just say, Armando?
el tipo
What
dice,
did he say? Hold on, say it again.
Oh, say it again.
no, no se está hablando.
Yeah,
You
bro,
can't
Armando
obviously
must not
not
been
be a
around,
fucking
bro.
whore, not be a
Tú no
fucking
sabes de este
cheater.
tipo,
Like,
bro.
you
You
can
don't know
pass
this
that.
guy.
No,
That's crazy.
no dije nada, yo tengo un problema de habla.
It's crazy because if I go back on this video and I hear some crazy shit.
Yo tengo un problema de habla y segundo, mi papá es negro.
Oh god, you know that? Oh god, bro.
He said, yo. You should have just started with that one, bro. He said, mi papá es
Bro, we're
negro.
fighting against a clan. We're about to lose, man. You saw them fucking nerds with the same clan tag talking about 240x.
Ah, perdimos ya.
Mira, this is them, bro. The 2x40, whatever the fuck. They all got the same fucking clan tag. We lost, nigga. We're about to fight against some nerds.
Ok,
Oh
¿qué
my
carajo
god, the
pasó?
Mozambique. Nah.
Is this a 1v1 thing? Type of thing?
No, this is gun game.
Oh.
Don't give me el juego que tú matas y consigues una pistola que... Ah.
I know, nigga. But why did I pick this character?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Me están disparando. Está solo, mando.
No estoy solo, estoy aquí.
Oh, shit.
They killed me. No jugar juntos, mi gente.
No, pues tú que te vas.
Mando, quítalo, mátalo. You got this. You're the goat.
Una mierda antes, cabrón.
Bro, I got 1 kill. Shut the fuck up. You still in the first gun.
Man, bro.
Traductor.
Got him.
Bro, I keep a trophy kill, not a single one, bro.
I'm out of there. Fuck.
Stop.
I cannot get rid of this gun, bro. This is the shittiest gun ever. Hey, so we're in last place. Fuck, mama.
No thanks to you. Got him.
Cabrón, Ángel, cabrón, me cago en... Para acá.
Let me kill him.
Yo, you funny.
Loco, tira la
Funny.
mata antes de que me loco.
I put every shot in his back. Él da un shot y me lo quita, cabrón.
Yeah. Kill that bitch. Kill that black bitch. Hey, kill that black bitch. Yeet.
Bro, I'm almost dead.
Kill those niggas. That boy tweaking.
Fucking his head too big for his body, bro.
That boy was tweaking, bro.
Yeah, oh god. I'm carrying the team for real. Look at that. Who won? Who was the winner? Champions. Oh, the Eagle. The fucking clan didn't even win. Fucking shitters.
Nosotros perdimos por un tipo que tuvo 0 matas.
Post game interview, Kevin. How you feel? You were the MVP.
Oh god. You don't know about me.
Yo. Kill those
It was
black
really your fault
motherfuckers.
for if we think about it. Taking my kill off that goddamn Mozambique. Yo, we fucking bastard. Was on that shit for so fucking long, bro. The
Yeah.
entire game.
Yeah.
Took the guy's like that fat bitch the whole time he had his back to me. I took all his health away, bro. He hit him once and he died. That's crazy. Ah, I can't. Better go. What are you doing, mama?
¿Qué todo tiene vida? Loco, soy una bestia en este juego, cabrón.
Cabrón,
I'm
no
just
pude
that good.
cambiar la fucking mierda de pistola, me cago en nada.
I'm just that good. I'm just that good. I'm just that good.
The whole game, bro.
Cabrón, yo maté 9 personas corrido.
I think Armando wants a prize, Kevin. You should suck his dick.
I'm sorry. let me look at your kills before you say something.
A ver,
I-
te lo mato. Dame por si en Instagram, cabrón.
No puede ser.
Bro, I got 800 damage con la mierda pistola esa. But as you can see, I got 4 assists, so who the fuck's stealing my kills?